In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsort in Google Sheets. If you've ever sorted a sheet, saved it, and then realized you need the original order back, you've probably noticed there's no unsort button. The good news is there's a simple reset trick that brings everything back exactly as it was. Before you sort anything, create a safety net by adding an ID column that captures the original order. Insert a new column on the far left. Give it a clear label like ID, then type 1 in the first row, 2 in the next, and use the small square fill handle to drag down and complete the sequence through your entire table. These numbers become your snapshot of the original layout, so treat them like a reference tag for each row. Keeping this column on the far left makes it easy to spot and easy to sort by later. Now you're free to sort by any column without losing that original arrangement. Select your entire table, including the new ID column, so the rows stay intact. Right-click, scroll to view more cell actions, and choose Sort Range. In the pop-up, check Data has header row, so your headers don't get mixed into the data. Then pick the column you want to sort by, maybe name, price, or date, and choose A to Z for ascending or Z to A for descending. Click to apply, and your data will rearrange just the way you need for analysis. When you're ready to unsort and return to the exact starting order, sort by your ID column. Use the same sort range option, make sure data has header row is checked, select the ID column, and sort A to Z. Because those IDs mirror the original sequence, your sheet will snap right back to where it began. If you forgot to add an ID column and already saved the file, don't panic. Google Sheets keeps a history of your changes. Go to File, then Version History, and open See Version History. You'll find timestamped versions of your sheet. Click through to preview the moment before you sorted, and when you find the right one, restore it. If you want to play it extra safe, you can make a copy from that version rather than overwrite your current sheet. That's all there is to it. Lock in your original order with an ID column before sorting, sort however you like, and restore the original by sorting the ID from A to Z. And if you forget, Version History has your back.